the best printers cleaning kit, the #1 cleaning solution on Amazon. This kit is compatible with most printer models, ensuring that your device stays in top condition. With a USA-based support, you can trust that help is always available when you need it. Now, what you get with this kit is 100 milliliters of cleaning fluid, a 20 milliliter syringe, and multiple attachments. The reason why you want a 20 milliliter syringe versus 5 or 10 milliliters is it's going to allow for a much more thorough cleaning. Now, what this kit does is it basically breaks up the blockage that builds up in a print head, and that's what causes you to not be able to print a certain color, print blank pages, or have an overall and general print quality issue. You do not want to cheap out on a cleaning kit. If you do, it could mean that you're not able to fix your printer. We are the most reputable seller in this field. Just look at our 5-star reviews. We have thousands of raving customers that were able to fix their printers. You can have confidence with your purchase knowing that you are buying from the most trusted seller of printer cleaning kits on Amazon. Most HP, Epson, Canon, Brother, Lexmark, even Kodak printers are compatible with this cleaning kit. We are so confident in this product that if you are not satisfied, we will give you your money back 100% of the time.